胃係通食，酸啦，酸係幾what 通酸通溫係啦，所以胃酸倒你可以話倒流，可以話倒流both 通手 OK 倒水啊，或者你要 pour down or opposite direction 等於是倒啦反轉啊等於倒啊咁倒流胃酸but some people will say 倒流嘅 actually should be 倒 because 倒咧 have low vertical person this 倒咧 has vertical person it means opposite direction that's 倒啦倒流胃酸倒流流就係 flowing 啦流倒流通風流胃酸倒流because actually we say 倒轉嘅其實 because that means a cup should be in that direction right a cup should be in that direction right but 你咁樣啦倒轉啦就 that mean overturn it OK 咁所以應該係倒嘅咁倒水又係倒啦倒轉又係倒啦倒流應該都係倒啦咁但係咧好多人咧都係就咁講倒就算嘅倒轉佢啦actually should be 倒轉嘅when you 倒水啊 that mean you pour the water OK when you 倒流啦 that mean you flow to an opposite direction OK because usually the direction the acid should be inside your stomach but now you rises up so it's 倒流啦intestine 咧，我哋叫做腸嗱。Sometimes we always connect the 腸and 胃 together 腸胃。for example 會識我腸胃唔妥啊。Actually we always put connect 腸and 胃 together I don't understand Whenever we say not feeling well 咧，then we will say 腸胃唔舒服嘅喎。we sometimes just say 胃唔舒服或者腸唔舒服嘅。we refer to the excrement then we will say the 腸個腸個 movement of the 腸啊，或者話個腸腸粉就係呢個腸係啦，即係 because the 粉咧 just like the shape of the intestine right long and then it sounds slanting 嘅即係腸啊。So 香腸都係sausage because it is also in a long shape then we call it 腸咯。So 香腸腸粉係啦，我哋個小腸大腸 so we have 小腸嘅大腸啊嘛係咪the intestine。但係we always connect with the 胃咯，腸胃唔舒服啊，腸胃唔妥啊，食啲腸胃藥啊，會想食腸藥胃藥嘅喎。I don't understand why always connect the 腸and 胃 together because maybe we can't differentiate whether it's the stomach or the intestine. But it seems the feeling just come out around. Then we say 腸胃 OK because and actually it's always like that when you have eaten something and then when your stomach starting feeling not well and then your excrement start coming out right so that's one maybe why we connect them together because it seems that they are always in a series of action so you always 腸胃唔妥啊腸胃肚瀉會識肚瀉喎你都識胃瀉嘅喎肚瀉嘅都係講肚㗎，唔係講腸瀉啊，係講肚瀉㗎都係When you feeling I'm not feeling well I need to go to restaurant then we don't say intestine or stomach 㗎，we say 肚喎都係肚瀉㗎。哎呀我肚瀉啊 I need to go to restaurant then 都係講肚瀉㗎Yes, that means you really the excrement really wants to come out. You can't control. that is 瀉啊 ，OK？ you can say 腹瀉啦，腹in written 咧會 use 腹瀉，腹 also means abdomen， 腹部啊、肚部啊，they are the same。 then we say 肚瀉 and then we write 腹瀉 and then also concerned with the 肚 with the abdomen, not with the stomach. So you can understand that we always use abdomen. When we use stomach, maybe we really refer to some serious sickness. Yeah. 腸胃炎啊，一隻吉，係啊，吉啊 intestine 啊，我哋都係叫做腸嘅，即係大腸小腸啦，我哋有啊，咁大腸小腸直腸啦，我哋有大腸小腸同埋直腸喎，直腸啊，即係。I think 直腸 is the end pathway of the intestine, is it? Yeah, 直腸。So sometimes we say 直腸直肚啦。If we say someone too honest, they speak anything they mean, okay? Or they have no secret. They will just tell anything about what they think inside or what they know. Okay, then we call that kind of person 直腸直肚啦。So the intestine is not 直right? 直 is straight way. Yeah, they intest straight way. But when we say 直腸直肚, that means you are really quite rare. No people will like you. Your intestine is straight. Okay, yeah. So when the food will come straightly out. Okay, 直腸直肚啦。Okay, sometimes if people go to toilet easily, after they have eaten, we also say, 喂，你啲腸直㗎，咁快出嚟嘅。Usually you need time to go through those circular the intestine system, right? But then you are so fast, okay? So that means maybe your intestine is straight. 直腸直肚 yeah. And then also 直腸直肚but not 直腸直胃都係肚直腸直肚Yeah. Okay, good. So I think we have covered. Maybe we talk a few more for the whole body. For example, eyes 眼啦，眼啦 ，and then the eyebrow 啦就眼眉毛啦，眉毛。You can just say 眉毛but you can also say add the word 眼眉毛哇。我sometimes 眉毛咧，譬如sometimes先係剃你眼眉毛啦，即係話咧if for example someone you are skillful at something but someone use what you skill to beat you down. Because they can even do better than you, then 佢哋就剃你眉毛啦，剃你眼眉毛啦。They mean try to insult you by attacking you using what you are skillful at. Then that is 剃你眼眉毛啦嚇。咁yeah, that mean because you will protect your brow, right? Because so near to your clothes is dangerous, right? So if anyone try to come near to your eyes, surely you will protect, right? You will defend, right? But if you allow someone to cut off your brow, that means you cannot protect yourself. He is smarter than you, okay? So 剃你眼眉毛啦。So and then 鼻啦，nose 啦，鼻啦。And then 嘴啦或者口啦就 mouth 啦。嗱，我哋we can call it 嘴或者口啦 mouth。牙啦 teeth 係牙啦牙。And then the tongue 就係脷啦。we write as 舌頭舌根舌尖舌面舌即係 we write we usually use 舌。When we speak 咧，we usually say 脷啦，你條脷好長你條脷講到我打條脷都打裂啦，OK，that means I talk too much 啦，my tongue twist OK，條脷都打裂啦，就脷啦。咁但係 when we say we can call some woman as 長舌婦 ，that means her tongue is so long that he don't need to stop, he keep talking. Of course, I usually talking about other people, so we call that kind of lady as 長舌婦。So because 係啦 ，the long tongue lady 啦，OK，so because it's a whole term，so we don't use 嚟啦，嚟 just for usually for single word for spoken，OK， 長舌婦 a whole standardized term，then we use 就係舌啦，長舌婦嚇。咁ear 啦，耳仔啦，the eyelash 咧 ，eyelash 咧就叫眼一毛，in written 咧，it is 眼睫毛，睫毛，眼睫毛係啦。in spoken 咧會識眼一毛the hair inside your nose 就係鼻毛咯。So only your hair so we call it 頭髮髮。all other hairs on your body 咧we call it 毛。For example 鼻毛or if you have some under your armpit 咁即係腋毛So all other parts is 毛。the hair on your head 咧就係頭髮。So what else? So 呢個我哋叫做下巴啦，下巴。I think is it chin right here 下巴。Then here is the cheek 面頰啦 cheek 面頰係啦，面就係 face 嘛，咁我哋就叫頰就面頰啦，就係呢個 cheek。OK， here is forehead 就係額。你可以話前額，可以話額頭，或者話就咁額就額啦。咁冇咯喎，係咁多咯喎，講晒啦應該係咪？係啦。About the whole body, anywhere I haven't covered. Yeah, all cover I think. Yeah. Okay, good. Okay, it's okay. Okay, so I have covered all parts of the body, all organs of body. Okay. The brain, the 腦啦 ，brain 腦嚇腦n 嘅 n 腦係啦，咁腦係啊，就同老人家個腦唔同係腦係 n 嘅腦腦部嚇，咁就應該冇啦，係咁多啦，講晒啦，心肝脾肺腎都講晒啦，腦都講埋啦嚇。OK，so see you，yeah。Okay, bye-bye. Bye.